Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute since I've done a bloom, so I wanted to try a bloom, and I haven't watched any bloom videos in ages, so I'm hoping that I'm remembering how to do this. So I'm going to pour in clear resin. I'm going to drop in some alcohol because I don't think I've ever tried that technique before. I've seen it in the past, but I don't think I've ever actually tried it. So, ow, there's something on my desk that's sharp and pointy. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I've got some purple, fuchsia, and sapphire blue alcohol ink. I'm gonna drop those in. Kind of petri dish style, and then I'm going to, once it warms up, I'm going to swirl in some white, and for that I've got my Cast and Craft white. So I'm going to mix my resin up. This should be a quick and easy one as well, and yeah, I hope it turns out cool. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So, all right. This was a quick intro. Let's get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. So again, this is some of the white left over. So I poured a couple of skulls. This one's gonna have some extra resin on it. Cool. And then some more seashells. Or no, these aren't seashells. These are roses. I forgot. I sprayed in these molds a ton of alcohol before piping the resin in. So I'm hoping that worked to keep most of the bubbles out of the tips of the roses. It looks like it did. Yeet. So pretty. And then two more. Get off of me. Gorgeous. And then this itty bitty little one. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's so tiny. Like it's smaller than my freaking nail. And I have tiny little nails. Ugh, so cute. Anyway, those are today's bonus unmoldings. Alright friends, I'm so excited by what I see in the back. I'm really excited to see how the front looks. So, one thing I will say, I did run out of my clear resin. I had a lot of white left over, so I could have probably cut that white in half and used the rest of the clear to fill up this. But I'm so excited to see how this looks. I'm so excited. Ow, just stabbed myself with the corner. All right, let's see. Oh my God. That is too cool looking. Oh my God. Eee, I love that. That is so freaking cool. Ah, wow. Wow, wow, wee wow. Okay. So with this one, I think this was the one with multiple swirls. I'm pretty sure, and this was just one big swirl, so they're gonna look different. Wow. Man, that is so pretty. Oh, I love that. Oh, so cool. The blue kind of looks like, well, I guess all of it. They kind of look like betta fish fins. Yeah. Oh, man. I don't know which one I like more. I tell you what's really cool. Which one is better to show? I guess we'll show this one. So, you see how in the middle, like the white is not completely covered with the alcohol ink, but here on the sides it is. Except when it's, you know, not in the color, but oh my God. It's like little veins wrapping, or vines is what I meant, not veins, vines wrapping around like little tendrils. Ah, y'all, I am so stoked. These are so freaking cool looking. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm definitely gonna have to try this again. That was a lot of fun, and I'm very, very happy with how these turned out. And I hope that you guys are too. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.